Hi everyone, Manish Sharma here. I'm a part of Impetus from July 2014. During my tenure here, I have worked for multiple clients on different technology and domain. I got a lot of support from every mentor and colleague here and had a very good technical growth. So thank you everyone for your cooperation.
Hello Impros. It's been almost 6 years when I joined the Impetus, but still I'm feeling like amazed and energetic just because of the work culture and atmosphere here. It's like my second home, and I believe if you are an Impetus, you never have to think for your future and growth. You will get it automatically here. And at the end, I would like to thank all my seniors and colleagues for supporting me to achieve this milestone. Thank you. Bye.
I'm stunned at how all these years have passed by. Thank you, organization, for believing in me and investing in me. And thank you, team, for the religious support you have been providing to me. Things that really inspired me at Impetus are its challenging growth opportunities, its learning opportunities, and its work environment, of course. Impetus taught me a couple of things in life. Number one, that any time is a good time to start. Number two, that you can expand your boundaries almost any time without any fear. And third and most important, that you can achieve anything in life you want. Over the past 6 years, I have been asked to work in different environments, have been a part of recruitment campaigns, and this list goes on. And all this really makes me believe that I am being trusted at Impetus. I am being counted and valued, and I think that's one of the most important things any employee would want to have. Thank you, Impetus. Thank you so much for believing in me and for bringing out this transformation in me.
Hello everyone, this is Munish Gupta from PSG team ClearTrail. I am associated with the organization from June 2014 onwards. I am sending this video to thank the organization for giving me opportunity and providing me platform to serve at critical client location in JNK. I must say that I have learnt a lot of things being in the organization and looking forward for long-term association in the organization. Thank you. Bye.
My name is Nitin Kapoor and I am working as Manager Software Engineering at Impetus Technologies. It's been more than 5 years I've been working with Impetus, and here I've got a chance to work on latest big data and cloud related technologies. Handling the employees' work-life balance, individual concerns, or the COVID situation seamlessly, Impetus surprises you with their employee-centric approach. It's been a pleasure working with Impetus. Thank you.
It has been an amazing 6 years journey since I have joined Impetus back in 2014. Putting the feeling into words about how I feel reaching this milestone is really difficult. I would like to extend my gratitude to everyone who has been part of this amazing journey with me. All my seniors, my colleagues, for their constant support and making the work environment fun. It is more like a family to me now, and I'm proud to be a member of such an amazing family. I have grown not only as a professional but also as an individual, thanks to the management for giving me all the wonderful opportunities.
Hello everyone. My journey as an Impro started in 2014, and I must say it has been a wonderful experience so far. One thing I like to highlight is the work-life balance what we get here in Impetus. In addition to that, the kind of work and the occasional fun activities keep it glued and motivates us to do our job better. Thank you for this delightful experience.
Hi all, I am Pallavi Garg, and when I talk about my journey with Impetus, so it has been a wonderful and a great journey. It has provided me the opportunities to work on everything from strategy through implementation. I have learned a lot over here as it provides a platform to excel on technologies and even mentor others. It has been a general environment to work on, and I would also like to express my gratitude to my mentors for their continued support and cooperation through my Impetus journey.
Hi everyone. First of all, I don't know how fast these years passed, but one thing is sure, All these years were incredible for me. I started working with Impetus in July 2014 as a fresher. Initially, I have joined here as a QA, and sometimes I worked as a DevOps engineer, and finally I got my dream work, that is development. Currently I am working with IDW team and working on different technologies like big data and cloud technologies. I especially wants to thank Mr. Surendra Yadav and Mr. Abhijit Phata for providing me this opportunity and giving me challenging work so that I can prove myself every time. I also want to thank all my team members for creating such positive environment around me and encouraging me for work together. At last, I want to thank Impetus for providing me this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to work with Impetus for many more years. Thank you.
And I completed 6 years in Impetus. It's really been a fun and thrilling journey with lots of great learning experiences. For me, it was a perfect way to launch my career and get in-depth exposure to IT standards. I have grown not as a professional but also as an individual. Thank you.
And I'm working with Impetus for more than 6 years now. When I joined Impetus as an organization, I got the opportunity to work on big data technologies, which I always wanted to work upon. What I like best about Impetus is here in Impetus you treat all your project mates as your equal. I mean, Impetus doesn't believe in following the hierarchical structure, and that was the best thing I would say about this organization. So far my journey with Impetus has been very satisfying, and I really hope that it continues this way going forward as well. Thank you.
My name is Ramit Agarwal. I joined Impetus as a fresher in 2014, and first of all I would like to acknowledge and thanks all who helped me and guided through different projects in my last 6 years of work. In these years I can say that I got exposure to so many technologies that I think I never anticipated before joining the Impetus, and I hope to learn more in the upcoming years. And one thing that I think I like the most here is like everyone here is one ping away, and they all are very supportive, and they are always ready to help you whenever and wherever required. And maybe it be your manager, your supervisor, or your colleague, and this gives you a very good feeling that it's like you always feel that like there is someone who is always ready to listen to you and ready to help you and guide you. So thanks you very much for being there, and I hope to be part of Impetus for a long period of time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rohit. It's been more than 6 years now in Impetus, and I could clearly remember the day I've joined Impetus in 2014 at Bangalore. It doesn't seem so far, but yeah, that's how time flies. So it's been a wonderful journey in Impetus. I've got many beautiful memories which I will definitely cherish throughout my life. I've got many wonderful colleagues who are friends now, and definitely lots of learnings, whether it be on professional or on personal front. So I feel Impetus as my family now, and I've seen on many occasions that Impetus also treats us as its family members. So I feel lucky that I'm part of such a wonderful organization, or I should say wonderful family. To keep it short, I would like to thank Impetus, all my mentors, all my colleagues, of course HEG, NMG, admin and the support staff, to make my journey so beautiful, and I hope to make it even bigger and more memorable. Thank you.
Yes, so Impetus is one of my dream company from last several years, and I'm enough lucky to work with Impetus Technologies. So it's a totally work-life balance here, and I'm also glad that I have completed 5 years with Impetus family. So many thanks to all management and all my Impetus families there. Thank you all.
I've started my journey with Impetus 6 years back. I've joined Impetus as a big data developer. After completing those many years, one thing I can tell you about Impetus is Impetus work on latest tools and technology. Impetus itself believe in practicing latest tools and technology which can add value to their customer. Impetus cares about its employee and provide best possible facilities to the employee to make work-life balance. I'm really glad that I'm associated with Impetus. Thank you very much.
Hi all, I'm Satyaprakash Yadav. I'm working with Impetus from last 6 years. During this journey, I worked on multiple projects with many people, and it was a very great experience to work with them. I learned many things during this journey. Apart from this, I enjoyed KYT and Impetus culture. Thanks to all for their support and encouragement. Thank you.
I'm Shivam Chaudhary, working in New Star Agency team at Impetus. In this short video, I just wanted to share my journey with Impetus. I completed more than 5 years in this organization, and I think not only I have grown up as a professional, but also as an individual here, and the whole credit goes to the Impetus family. I wanted to thank Impetus for creating environment like home at the organization level, and I really appreciate the way Impetus help employees in balancing their work life as well as their personal life. So thank you for everything, and we will definitely grow more and more in future.
Hello everyone, this is Smitha. I have been with Impetus for over 6 years now. So the journey from a software engineer to a module lead software engineer has been amazing. Through my journey with Impetus over these years, the most important thing that I have learned is Impetus is people's company. So every employee is valued, his views are taken into consideration, and the other important thing that I would like to talk about at this point in time is the way Impetus has treated its employees during this pandemic. So there was no layoff, no pay cuts, and the job assurance that Impetus has given us is amazing. And the work-life balance that we get here is really commendable. And I hope the same will be there for years to come. I have truly cherished my time with Impetus over.
It was 2014 when I joined in Impetus. My excitement level as a fresher was sky high, and in the next couple of weeks I realized that I belonged to a super talented team, and from there my journey started. And today I have completed 6 years with Impetus, and still it feels like yesterday. I consider myself fortunate enough to have worked with charismatic leaders who are committed towards excellence. And I have not only grown as a professional here, but also as an individual. My daily motivational mantra in Impetus is, we lead, not follow.
Hello everyone, myself Surinder, and today I'm going to share my experience and the journey with Impetus. So I have been working with Impetus from last 6 years, and this was a very amazing journey. And I never felt like I have been working with this organization from so long. And here I have grown professionally, technically, personally, with my colleagues, with my leaders, mentors and the organization. So I would like to say a very big thanks to every one of them, and I hope that I will stay connected, we will stay together, and we'll work together to grow together. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nikhil. Thank you for providing me this opportunity to share my experience with Impetus. To be precise, I have been working with Impetus for the past 6 years, 1 month and 3 days. As input and 3 days, continuous learning, which is a key to success. This has helped me to embrace multiple roles in the organization. Having said that, I have worked as a quality assurance engineer, DevOps engineer, automation engineer, and big data engineer. This itself explains how Impetus provides multiple opportunities for its employees to enhance their skills. This is my journey at Impetus, and I am proud to be part of Impetus. Thank you.
happy to have spent such a memorable time with my first family. As many know, I spent only 2 days in a week with my wife and kids, but never regretted for the same at any point of time. A very special thanks to Shambhu for helping me throughout the journey. I would also extend my hands and thank Mr. Krishna Nair and Vikas Kandelwar, and last but not the end, Mr. Vinod Sharma. I wish to convey just a small final note. I am always proud to be an
Thank you, Impetus, for giving me such a great opportunity. It has been a great journey with Impetus. I am associated with Impetus more than 5 years, and I feel like home here, and it's very amazing to work here, and it's really interesting. Every day we learn the new things. Seniors are very supportive. Thanks.